Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to see battery percentage on Fitbit Charge. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide, you actually have two different methods at which you can use to see the battery percentage. So the first method is to, you can see from the clock face. So to do this, tap the screen and press the side button to wake the screen, then swipe down from the top of the screen, then at the top you will see the battery icon with the percentage next to it. Then on the other method is to see the percentage through the or from the quick settings. So to do this, wake the screen and swipe down twice to access the quick setting menu. Then after that, you will see the battery percentage at the top of the screen. Then this is very optional. You can also use the Fitbit app to check the battery percentage, which is very optional. So open the Fitbit app on your phone, then tap your device icon at the top left, then the battery level is shown next to your device name, and that's how you can simply check your battery or see the battery percentage on Fitbit Charge. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.